Hi, this is Queen from AEvent Support. In this video, I'll be showing you how to refresh, reconnect, or disconnect your Beehiiv account from your AEvent account. So to start, let's log into your AEvent account. Once you are logged in, what we'll do first is show you how to refresh your Beehiiv integration. You can do it two ways. You can click on integrations here from the left-hand side and then look for the Beehiiv integration from the list, and you just have to click on the refresh button here. And this would refresh your Beehiiv integration. Another way to do it is to open your campaign where you have your Beehiiv integration enabled. Just click on integrations here on the left hand side menu and then click on the gear icon to the right of Beehiiv. And then as you can see here on the upper right, there's another refresh button. So if you click on this one, it does the same thing. It would be refreshing your Beehiiv integration. So that's how to refresh your Beehiiv integration with AEvent. The next one is how to reconnect it. In case you get a prompt or a notification from AEvent informing you that your Beehiiv integration has been disconnected and you have to reconnect it, all you have to do is go to integrations, look for your Beehiiv integration from the list, and you'll see here a reconnect button. So once you click on reconnect, it will ask you for the label again and then the API key. And then once you enter that, you just have to click on connect. And again, just like what we did when we integrated it the first time, we will be getting a confirmation that we have successfully reconnected your Beehiiv account to AEvent. There you have it. So we have successfully updated it. And the last action that I'll be showing you is how to disconnect or delete your Beehiiv account from your AEvent account. So the same thing, if you are on the home page, you just have to click on integrations, look for Beehiiv from the list of your integrations. And here you'll see here on the upper right that there's a delete button. You just have to click on that one. And then you will be prompted if you want to disconnect it. You just have to click on confirm and the integration gets disconnected from your AEvent account. That would be all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to contact support. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you'll get notified of our future uploads. As always, thank you for watching.